How to bring back the missing app drawer icon on Samsung. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can bring back the missing app drawer icon on the Samsung devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Normally you can see that this is my Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and if I want to swipe up to bring the app drawer, I have to swipe up like this. But sometimes what happens is that on the previous versions of Android such as 7, 8 or 9 or 10 as such, you had a little icon from the bottom where if you just tap on the icon, then it would simply open up like this, all the app drawer. But now it has been changed to this, but there is actually still a way where you can get that app drawers icon, and to do this it's very simple. Just long press on an empty space on your home screen on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Then you have to go to settings. When you go to settings, right here you'll find this option called show apps screen button on home screen. If this is turned off, you can simply turn it on, and when you come back to the home screen next time, now you will see the missing app drawer icon. If I tap on it, it will open up app drawers, right? So you can see, but the other icon has been moved to the next screen. But aside from this, you can also swipe up to bring the app drawer, or if that's not convenient, you can just tap this option to bring back all the app drawers that is hidden. So this way you can basically bring back the missing app drawer icon, but personally I like it turned off because I can simply swipe up, so I don't think this option is necessary anymore. If you do want to, then basically that's how you do it. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.